What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today we have made it out to the Yankees Tavern again. We got old Joel here. We got my brother-in-law, of course, man, out here just running the streets. So we're actually headed to the ranch Harley Davidson. So we decided to stop here first real quick, have a beverage. Hey? Yes, sir. And then we'll head over to the ranch, man. But bikes are looking freaking sick. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know you got the RBW SKULL. Got Joel's bike, man. Look at the flake in that thing. So nice. Looks so good. He just put Reinhardt headers on here as well, man. So he's got the full exhaust system on here now, and that thing sounds killer. Sounds killer. And then, of course, you know the brother-in-law. Brother-in-law got, man, Tab Performance Folsom Prison Series handlebars, man. So that's what he's running now. 12-inch handlebars on the 2020 Street Glide. So he's got that on there, and then of course you know he's running the RBW SKULL as well, man. So just out here tearing stuff up, getting it going. Damn, that front shot though. Forgot to tell y'all too, man, your boy's got the old Tab Performance 50 cals on the back end. 50 cal slip-ons with the zombie baffles, man. Sounding really good. Sounds real good. So let's get in here and get a drink, man, and we'll continue on. So probably see you again once we get out to the ranch Harley Davidson. Let's go. What's happening, kinfolk? Yeah, we have made it to the ranch Harley Davidson. Oh shit, I can't see nothing. The ranch Harley Davidson. I can't even see if it's getting it, but we're here, man, and this thing is massive. Massive, massive. They're having a little event today. Let me show you. Ranch Harley Davidson. If you haven't been here, man, you need to come out. The original building was over there, but yeah, it's pretty dope, man. It's pretty big, huh?
I like it.
It's huge, man.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, big place, big place. So we got the bikes rolling in right here. Of course, we got our brewskis, huh? Free brewskis here at the ranch.
I'm the only alien here.
You know? Got the Indian rolling with all the Harleys, but hey, ain't no thing, man, ain't no thing. But let me go ahead and take you inside, man, and show you exactly what it looks like on the inside. Let's go. Thanks, sir. We are headed out. We are leaving the ranch Harley Davidson. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. And Gabriel almost bought another bike. Let them, just kidding, don't kick his ass. But
I bought part of it.
Part of it, the motor, the battery.
Only the battery.
So that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you get a chance, like I said, come out and check out the ranch Harley Davidson, man. And they're great people here. We come, like I said, over at the other building. We've been there quite a bit. So great people, amazing dealership. So make sure y'all come check them out. Until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.